There is a bird on your
head.
That's right.
Okay, take a
Hello,
picture.
alright. Piggy, head on your head.
Okay, here we go.
There is a bird on your head.
Yeah, that's
Whoa.
Piggy. Nolan, can you say it?
Are there a bird on your head?
Oh, well, close.
You do the bird.
Okay.
You have to do that because you're the bird.
Piggy! Are there something on your
Oh, no,
head?
that's Liam.
Is something on my head stupid?
Wait, no more of that.
There are something on your head.
Well, no, it just says yes.
Yes. There's something on your head.
Well, what's that say?
There are something on your head.
No, there's what on your head?
There's something on your head.
Well, what's it say?
On your head.
There's a what on your head?
There's a bird on your head.
Right.
There is a bird on my head. Is there a bird on my head now?
Nope. There are two birds on your head now.
What are two birds doing on my head?
Care and love.
The birds on my head are in love.
They're in love.
What's that say on?
They're in love.
They love birds.
They love birds.
Yeah.
You know, it
What's it say?
lovebirds.
Lovebirds.
Lovebirds. How do you know they are lovebirds?
They're making a nest on your head.
Ah! Two birds are making a nest on my head. Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I am afraid to ask.
Are they so cute?
Do I have an egg on my head?
What's that say?
Doing-
One.
2, 3 eggs on your head.
That's right. Yeah. You guys say you have 3 eggs on your head.
They have 3 eggs on your head.
Very good.
I do not want 3 eggs on my head.
Then I have good news.
Then I have good news. Ask
The
them.
eggs are gone?
The eggs are the eggs are hatching.
Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching?
Cheep, cheep, cheep.
They're hatching.
They have hatched.
They have hatched.
Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head.
The 3 baby chicks
2 birds and a nest.
and 2 birds in the nest and 3 baby chicks on my head.
I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head.
Where do you want them?
Where do you want them?
Somewhere else!
Why not ask them to go somewhere else?
Why not ask them to go somewhere else?
Ask them.
Ask them.
Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else?
No problem.
It worked!
Bye.
It worked.
Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. You are Malcolm.
The end.
He looks like a boy.